guys, welcome back to my channel, and my today's video is how to make makeup setting spray out of only 3 ingredients, and the ingredients are easily available at your home. So let's make it. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification about my new videos, and it's totally free. So let's get started. At first you need a makeup setting spray bottle. It should be your spray bottle. It should be clean and empty. Now pour half of this bottle with rose water. Next ingredient, you need aloe vera gel. I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel, but you can use aloe vera gel from any brand. I'm adding near about 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel in it. Next ingredient, you need glycerine. Take half teaspoon of glycerine. Now shake it well to mix all the ingredients very well. And our makeup setting spray is ready to use. Spray this bottle on your face after doing your makeup to make your makeup long lasting and flawless. Not only that, you can use the solution on your face whenever you feel that your skin is dry. So friends, that's all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.